Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial series. Today, we will dive into the most powerful feature of AutoCAD, layers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding layers will enhance your productivity and organization in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Layers in AutoCAD help you organize different types of information in your drawings, much like separating elements on transparent sheets stacked on top of one another. Each layer can contain lines, shapes, text, and images that pertain to a specific aspect of your drawing. First, let's open the Layer Property Manager. You can do this by clicking on the Layer Properties icon on the ribbon, or by typing Layer in the command line and hitting Enter. Now, click on the New Layer button, which looks like a little sun. Let's name this layer Walls. Here, you can also assign the color, line type, and line weight that will apply to all objects placed on this layer. Using layers efficiently means assigning each component of your drawing to a proper layer. For instance, let's draw some walls on the wall layer we just created. Notice how we changed the active layer to electrical allows us to draw electrical wiring without disturbing other elements like walls. One of the advantages of using layers is managing visibility. You can easily hide or show layers depending on what part of the drawing you need to focus on. Let's hide the wall layer and see how our electrical wiring stands out. Sometimes you don't want certain parts of your drawing to be altered accidentally. Locking a layer prevents any changes to the elements on that layer. Here's how you lock and unlock layers. Mastering layers in AutoCAD not only keeps your projects organized, but also enhances your efficiency. Experiment with layers in your next project to see how they can improve your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Happy drafting!